Hello all, my name is Krishnayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, recently I've been taking a lot of live sessions and probably in every live sessions people usually ask about my recording gears, like what all recording gears I actually use. The kind of notebook that you see over here where I specifically write, probably the kind of pen that I actually use to write in this notebook. And probably I've made some videos, but I have now updated many of my recording gears. Like right now I've been writing all my notes in the Scribble ink notebook. This is my XP pen, and this probably I'm been using from past 1 year now. But recently, when you'll probably see, I've been using this Scribble ink, which will actually help you to use different colors and write, which is quite amazing. And but one amazing gear that I've actually added is basically Nvidia GeForce RTX GPUs. Now, these GPUs are pretty much amazing. And you may be thinking, Krish, GPU will basically be used in training deep learning models, right? So, yes, I know that. Deep learning models, obviously, this is for my work, right? Model training purpose. That is fine, right? And if I talk about different GPUs, this RTX GPUs, you'll be able to see different GPUs like 3060, 3070, 3080, 3090, right? Where probably in your laptop or in an independent desktop machine or workstation, you can actually insert these GPUs and do your necessary training in deep learnings and all. But I'm not talking about deep learning training model, but I'm talking more towards creating my content, right? And this RTX GPUs have actually been very helpful in creating my content, guys. If I probably get 3 to 4 hours continuously, I can actually record around 5 to 6 videos in a go, okay, without any disturbance, okay. And probably you'll be able to see my screen over here, the background, everything. This entire thing is just possible with the help of Nvidia GeForce RTX GPU along with OBS software. I don't know whether you know OBS or not. OBS is an open source software which will actually help you to do the recording, okay. Now, today I'm just going to give you a glimpse, right, how I'm using RTX GPUs, not just for training deep learning models, but for creating my videos also. So it'll be pretty much amazing. Just see this example. So here right now, let me just show you which GPU I have. Right now in my office, I have this Nvidia GeForce RTX 3090. So this is a very big workstation that I have right now over here, where I probably have 64 GB RAM. So here you can see with respect to the memory, I have this AMD Ryzen processor and a lot of amazing configuration of the system I have. If you probably want a detailed configuration of the system that you want to see for my system, I'll probably make a detailed video regarding that too. But just write down your comment and let me know. But let's see the power of this RTX laptops. This RTX GPUs, okay, and this RTX definitely is very helpful for the people who are also making content. I'll give you one example, okay. So right now, let me minimize this. So there is this amazing software here you can actually see, which is called as Nvidia Broadcast, okay. Now, with the help of this Nvidia Broadcast, and this only works with RTX GPUs, okay. And this is with respect to my content creation, guys. And I just want to talk about like how this RTX GPUs is actually helping me to create some amazing content, okay. Now see this. As soon as I see over here the camera source, I have this camera over here attached to it. If you want to do the setting, do zoom in, zoom out, you can actually do it from here. So with respect to just camera, I'm going to discuss. Then with respect to audio and microphone, I'm actually going to discuss. And I'm going to tell you how these GPUs are actually helping me. So over here, you have something called as effects. Now, what is this effects? Previously, when I was probably having GTX GPUs, okay, at that time, I probably had to use green screen behind me. But now, because of the RTX GPU, I don't have to worry about it. So here you'll be able to see if I want to do a background removal, I can do it. If I want to do the background blur, suppose if I click this, you'll be able to see that my background has got blurred now. Okay, so here you can probably see some kind of screen and probably this is getting blurred. Okay, apart from that, you can also make sure that you have to focus on performance quality. You can actually select an option. If I go and probably see background replacement, so here you can see that it will get replaced. You can also add any kind of images that you want, background, any kind of image that you probably want. So this is also amazing. And the clarity, the clarity of this specific videos, you will be able to see it is amazing, you know. Apart from that, you also have options like auto frame, void, video noise removal, and you can also remove this effect. Right now, I am basically using background removal. So you can actually see this entire black screen behind me. So suppose if I want to reduce my image size, I can also do that. So you can see it over here and how clearly it is actually happening, right? So the next thing apart from that, since I'm recording this entire video, I'm going live with by using these headphones. Okay, so this particular headphone, I'll also give the detail of this headphone, the entire my recording gears in the description of this particular video. You can check it out. So here you have something. Now, with this headphone, obviously there may be some noise, but RTX, this Nvidia Broadcast, which is basically supported by RTX GPUs, they provide you options like effects like noise removal, remove echo, remove this effect. So two more important options, which is definitely useful for a person who records a lot of videos. If I'm actually selecting noise removal, trust me, right now whatever audio you are actually hearing it, right, this is automatically doing it, and the recording is also happening parallelly, so that I don't have to do a separate task of removing the noise with the help of softwares like Audacity and all. It is just happening with the help of this kind of headphones along with this software, that is Nvidia Broadcast, which is again supported by RTX GPUs. If you have GTX, you'll not be able to do any of this, right? Yes, internally some AI algorithm is getting applied with respect to the camera. Also some AI algorithms are getting applied, which on the fly actually works in the RTX GPUs itself, right? So this is how amazing it is. You also have one option regarding microphone. Suppose if you have a speaker, there also you can do noise removal. If you have microphones, you can basically select what kind of microphones you are recording in, and based on that you can actually select noise removal. So this is what recently I have added, and probably I got this kind of functionalities or properties from one of my colleague in my office, so who gave me this option, and it was like 7 to 8 months back. uh, but I started extensively using it probably from not 7 to 8 months back, but I'll say just 4 to 5 months back, and started extensively using it. So when I go live right now, you'll be able to see amazing quality of voice along with this entire recording things that I use. Apart from this, I have the Scribble link. Okay, Scribble link, this is the notebook that I use. This probably you'll be able to get it in 300 rupees for lifetime. It is present in Microsoft Store. Amazing writing notebook over here. You'll be able to see this, where you can use any kind of colors, and probably even you have an option to save it in the form of PDF and all. So yes, this was the recent update with regarding my recording gears. And yes, if I am sitting probably for 4 to 5 hours for recording purpose, I am definitely being able to do for around 4 to 5 videos, which is quite amazing, which is saving me a lot of time, because after this I don't even have to edit my video, directly I can directly upload it, and probably just after recording it, you can see the time right now. It is 8:18. Just in another 15 minutes I'll upload this specific video also in my YouTube channel today itself. Okay, so probably if you're seeing it, you'll be able to see it, right? So I hope you like this particular video. Please do make sure that you subscribe the channel, and yes, start using this RTX GPUs. You can use it. It is not necessary you have to buy 3090. You can also start with 3060. Apart from this, there are also many softwares which Nvidia is probably making, which you can definitely use it. Okay, and I will provide that updates as we go ahead. So thank you all. This was it from my side. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you, one all. Bye bye.